Couple Joy app. So here it is. So quite a popular app for distant relationship. It's right now it's quite popular. It's just called Couple Joy relationship app. Stay connected to the one you love even when you're apart. Join your partner in Couple Joy to have fun together, strengthen your bond. Discover new things about each other. Stay connected. Personalize your screen with adorable couple widgets. Share your mood and see how your partner is feeling in real time. Track the distance between you. Watch it shrink as you get closer. Celebrate your love by tracking how long have you been together. So this is just how you install these widgets. Then you can get to know each other. You can play fun games and grow new sites just by playing games. You can grow your relationship with like daily streaks, countdown to birthday anniversaries, capture journey together with photos. So yeah, pretty cool app. There is like 81% off gift. If you just open up the app and then open up and again, you can get it for $30 per year for 2 users. So only one of you will pay it and you add your partner for free just for $30 per year. Quite a good offer. And then you just have it just like that. You have a lot of quizzes. You just answer it here and then your friend tries to guess them. And then so yeah, a lot of topics, a lot of widgets. How long have you been together, or how far are you from each other? Couple stats, questions answered, cities visited, countries visited, memories, special days. You can share your status just like that. You can see some questions and games in here, topics, and then you can see your journal in here. You can then see notifications, and then you can see your account. You can change app icons, and yeah, pretty cool. So amazing app. First of all, it's really cheap compared to some other apps. Some other apps cost like 3 times as much just for widgets, for example, or for these couple quizzes. In this app, you just have everything, and in one app, and it's quite cheap. So it's not like Messenger, it's not like WhatsApp. It's more focused on building a relationship together. So you just write in answers to different quizzes, and your partner answers them and guesses what you answered or something like that. You can always just go and invite your partner in here just by entering this code. So yeah, again, I don't know whether it's available on Android. I hope it is. You can see some nice reviews. Connecting your great concept, great app. It was here for a while, so some people say that it was actually expensive. Maybe they changed that. But yeah, try it out.